When it comes to text-to-speech software, finding one that strikes a perfect balance between natural-sounding voices and user-friendliness can be a challenge. However, I recently discovered a gem that ticks all the boxes, Odio.ai. From the moment I started using Odio.ai, I was blown away by the exceptional quality of its text-to-speech capabilities. The software boasts an impressive array of natural-sounding voices that bring text to life with remarkable clarity and expressiveness. Whether you need a professional tone for presentations or a conversational style for audiobooks, Odio.ai has you covered. One of the standout features of Odio.ai is its extensive voice library, with a diverse range of voices to choose from, including male and female options. You can easily find the perfect voice to match your project's requirements. Each voice is carefully crafted, delivering a seamless audio experience that captivates listeners and holds their attention. In conclusion, Odio.ai is a game-changing text-to-speech software that combines natural-sounding voices, an intuitive interface, and exceptional customization options. Its extensive voice library caters to diverse needs, and its compatibility with various text formats enhances its versatility. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or educator, Odio.ai is a must-have tool that will elevate your audio projects to new heights. Odio software official website link in the video description.